So if the dealership or a body shop told you that you need to replace the module due to it going bad after an accident, we can actually reset your original module, the one that came out of your car after an accident. Now another big problem are the seat belts. The seat belts also deploy. Let's check out the seat belts. The seat belt is right in the pillar here. This is the pre-tensioner unit. That's where the signal comes in from the airbag module to deploy the seatbelt, and then it locks up or it throws a code. And at that point, you need to replace them. They go for a couple $100 at the dealership. Here at MyAirbags, we can actually rebuild your original unit. This is a single stage seatbelt because it has one plug. And if you're removing it, of course, you want to disconnect the battery, and then you want to go ahead and pop that little yellow piece up and then pull up on this plug here, and then start removing these bolts right over here. There's one right over here. There's another bolt down here. There's another bolt holding the top of this seat belt right under here. So you may need to get behind this panel and remove that bolt.